What's up, guys? We are going to speak about measuring diode in a diode mode, which is related to mastering the multimeter. This lesson goal is how to examine the charging line by diode mode. Okay, this is our goal in this from this episode, and how to examine any line with the diode mode, how to determine like is there is a shorter ground or there is a cotton line. We are going to know all of this by diode mode. Mastering the multimeter is one of the most used measure during our work in a diode mode. Okay, when to use the diode mode: to check any component on the battery circuit. You are just going to check on the battery line. Okay, it will be from 300 to 700, so it means that this is working well. Okay, and this is when we are going to speak about the charging line. Okay, you will understand this probably. We are going to measure a diode mode. Okay, on the battery line itself, we must get between 0.300 to 0.700, which means that this battery line is working like 100% well. Okay, measure any circuit connector like a power key, camera, and this is on battery connector, by the way. I forgot to tell you, we do this on the battery connector. Okay, measure any circuit connector on a power key, camera, mic, speaker, memory, SIM card. We know all of this. Okay, you will see in the schematic itself, it will tell you that this connector, like a power key connector or camera connector or mic connector, you must get like 0.300, you must get like 0.50, you must get whatever. You will see the value itself in the schematic, and you are going to measure it on the connector directly. So this is so vital. 5 measure on battery connectors only. 5 measure on battery connectors only. From 300 to 700, and the other side will be infinite. This means that the battery line components are working so well. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, less than 300 and the other part infinite. There is a unusual usage in the battery due to a water solution or a salt or whatever. So the solution of this will be to wash the board. So the solution of this is to wash the board probably if you get less than 300. Okay. The second one will be double value from the same side. Double value like 150 and 150, like the red one and the black one. Both of them get a value. Okay, so there is a component on the battery. There is a component on a barrel is shorted to the ground. Okay, and solution is to use the short killer. So there is a short here if there is value in both of them. If there is both value in both sides. So buzz, which means short in all circuit root. If you get buzz, this is a full short. If there is a cut in series, infinite, like zero OL on both sides. Zero OL on both sides. And the solution here is to use the microscope to check what is going on, which component is the reason of this cut in series. So it's so easy to follow. And all of these, guys, you need to save them inside your memory. So just bring a paper and pen and write all of this in a paper in order to save them inside your memory. You don't need to understand what is going on. You just need to save all of these measures inside your memory, because this is how you are going to work on the charge circuit. Any connector, if you get infinite, it means that there is a cut in series. Any connector, like I'm going to measure this connector here. If I get infinite in diode mode, it means that there is a cut in circuit, and the solution here is to use the microscope or to do bridge. Okay, if you get a buzzer, it means there is a short like 100%. If you get a buzzer on this connector, it means that there is a short like 100%. Okay, it's so easy, guys, and you will see here, this is on the schematic. It says that the value of diode mode here is 522. Value 520. Okay, you will see all of this when you use the schematic itself. It's so easy, guys. Wow. Wow, well done, dude. See you next lecture.